Welcome to Art Lectures. We're exploring Frans Hals's renowned painting, The Laughing Cavalier, also known as The Dutch Knight. This masterpiece, created in 1624, showcases a self-assured man from the new bourgeoisie dressed in flamboyant clothing. The painting, measuring 83 by 67.3 centimetres, is an iconic example of Hals's work and resides in the Wallace Collection in London. Frans Hals was once the preeminent portrait painter of Haarlem, but his fame faded after his death. It wasn't until the 19th century that his reputation was revived, reaching new heights. A pivotal moment was the 1865 auction of The Laughing Cavalier, where the Marquis of Hertford outbid Baron von Rothschild, paying 6 times the expected amount. At that time, the painting was simply titled Portrait of a Man.